set the switch between the inverter and the power grid, and the DC switch on the inverter to the off position. If the battery is configured, set the auxiliary power on and off and circuit breaker switches on the battery to the off position. Route the AC power cable through the current transformer. Connect the signal cables of the current transformer to the corresponding ports of the DDSU666H. Connect the RS485 communications cables between the inverter and the DDSU666H based on the cable polarity.